I'm gonna make some chicken Alfredo, but first I need to use the bathroom. Okay, so I already pre-chopped the onions. Now I just gotta boil the spaghetti. It says spaghetti, the fucking noodles, and then I got ragu sauce. Then I got chicken breast. I gotta chop up, and then I got this. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna preheat it, put it on low, just to have that going, and then I'm gonna get the pot to then put everything inside. Alright, so this is a little controversial, but I just put the fucking spaghetti or the noodles and just fucking pour the water in and then wait till it's boiled. That's it. I don't give a fuck. It's gonna end up good anyway. Shit. Alright, now I'm gonna grab the olive oil and pour it into the pasta. Just so, yeah. Okay, now I'm just mixing it up, just so that it can incorporate. And I learned this from Gordon. Listen, I learned this from Gordon Ramsay. He was talking about like, oh, it helps with them to not stick together when they're cooking. So since I seen that, I started doing it. So yeah. Okay, put the lid on. It's not the actual lid, but it does the job. Oh, that's just water. We good. Pushing more into it. All right, so we have this one over here. It's on low, and this is where the chicken is gonna be cooking. The chicken and the onions, and yeah, I'm just gonna chop up the chicken, put it into there, and then I'll show you guys after. Okay, I'm just chopping up the chicken and put it in there. I'll show you when I get finished with this.
I need to go to the embassy over there. Free job. See, I watch you sniffing.
All right, so we just cleaned up everything, put everything away. We just got this on the stove on low, just chilling there, cooking up. But yeah, that's really it. I mean, I wanted this to be longer, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. But yeah, I honestly, I did not taste a single thing, so I don't know how this tastes like. That's something that usually happens to me. I don't even like taste it. I just kind of go with the vibes and just like, okay, well, I put that much, so we'll see how it tastes like. I'll eat it anyway. I'm hungry. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this cooking video. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe because I make content like this almost every day. I don't cook every day, but I'm constant. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.